Okay, so 2018 Ssangyong Rexton Thatcham Category 2 insurance approved touch key immobilisation added. So you can see down by the column there, touch key receptacle, red flashing LED. Okay, so with the system comes two electronically coded touch keys. Okay, so one touch key has to be pushed into the receptacle to allow the car to start. So if we don't put a touch key in and we try to start the car, foot on the brake, push to start, you see we've got no start there. Okay, so we go round to the receptacle and we'll push the touch key in the receptacle, LED goes out. You get 20 seconds or so before it automatically rearms to attempt to start the vehicle again. Push to start, engine runs. So each time the vehicle's switched off, the LED will start to flash to say the system is armed. To disarm it, simply push a touch key into the receptacle to put the red flashing LED out, and then that will allow you to start the vehicle in the normal way.